Hi, this is Tony, and we're back on the bench. And this morning, I wanted to do a quick video here on these two reels and do a little comparison video here. So we've got the Daiwa Millionaire 5HS and then an Abu Garcia 5500C. So obviously these are both casting reels. They're both level wind. They're very similar in size, pretty much, roughly. And so, they both have star drag systems for the drag setup. I'd say probably the biggest differences between these two reels is the Daiwa is a 2-ball bearing reel, whereas the Abu, I believe, is just a single ball bearing reel. Daiwa's made in Japan, Abu's made in Sweden. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. If you have a favorite of one of these over the other that you prefer to use, I'd be curious to hear about that. You can drop that in the comment section below. Yeah, thanks again for watching. This is Tony with Back on the Bench. If you'd like to see more, please do subscribe. If you'd hit the notification button, you'll get updated on all the new videos that come out. And if you have questions, please also drop those in the comment section. We'll see you next time.